Welcome to Dominic class.
Welcome to Dominic class. We're still on the topic order of operations. In the last two classes, we've learned so much about order of operations, and I'm sure you should be familiar with it now. Wait. This is lesson 3 video, so I guess you watched the last 2 videos before continuing this video. Back to the major. If you can remember, in the last class, I told you a rule that is very important. I told you that do multiplication and division rule from left to right, and do addition and subtraction rule from left to right also. You can only do these rules for instances of getting questions like this: 45 divided by 5 times 9, or 9 times 10 divided by 20. For addition instances, you can get questions like this: 5 plus 4 minus 5, or 10 minus 9 plus 2. We're going to know the implications. Doing these questions from right to left, which is the wrong way. There will be 2 categories, which is the multiplication and division and the addition and subtraction rule. Let's start with the first categories, which is the multiplication and division rule. Back to the first question, which is 45 divided by 5 times 9. Now, let's solve this question from left to right. The operation that is at the left is 45. So we're just going to do the operation from left to right. Now, we're going to start with 45. We're going to divide it with 5. And 45 divided by 5 will just give us 9. Then we can multiply it with 9, which gives us 81 as our final answer. Now, let's do it from right to left. If we do it this way, we'll just start with 9, then multiply it by 5, which gives us 45. Then we can divide the 45 by 45, which just gives us 1. Now, we see what happened there. We did it from left to right and got 81. And did it from right to left and got 45.
So it's 1.
That's a different answer. But you can see the implications of doing it the wrong way. Yes, it's 81. It's 81 is because we did it from left to right. Still on our first category, let's do our second question, which says 9 times 10 divided by 20. Let's do it the right way. We just have to do it from left to right, and also see the implications of doing it from right to left. If we do it from left to right, we'll just have to start with 9. Then we multiply. 9 times 10 will give us 90. Then we can divide. 90 divided by 20 will just give us 4.5. If you do it the wrong way, which is doing it from right to left, you will just start at 20, then divide. 20 divided by 10 will just give us 2. Then 2 times 9 will just give us 18. Oh, those answers are totally different. But the right answer is 4.5 because we did it from left to right. Now, let's move to the second category, which is the addition and subtraction method. Now, back to our question. We have 5 plus 4 minus 5. We're just going to start from 5 by adding 5 plus 4 will just give us 9. Then we can subtract. We'll just subtract 5 away from 9, which gives us 4. But let's see the implications of doing it from right to left. If we do it this way, we'll just start from 5, then we subtract 4 away from 5, which gives us 1. Then we add. 1 plus 5 will just give us 6. Those answers are so different. We saw that when we did it the right way, which is method left to right, we got 4. But when we did it the wrong way, which is method right to left, we got 6. So this means that 6 is wrong and 4 is right. Now we're going to do the last question, which is on the second category, which says 10 minus 9 plus 2. Now we're just going to do it from left to right. If we do it this way, we'll just start from 10. Then we subtract 9 away from 10, which just gives us 1. Then we can add it with 2, which just gives us 3. Now, let's see the implications of doing it from right to left. If we do it from right to left, we'll just start from 2. Then we add it up with 9, which gives us 11. Then we can subtract 10 away from 11, which just gives us minus. Again, we got different answers, but the wrong answer is minus 1 and the right answer is 3. Now we did all these 4 questions and we got different answers. The correct ones were the one we did from left to right. Wow, we learned how to go about solving order of operation rule with the same question, like having multiplication and division rule in the same question, or having addition or subtraction rule in the same question. But note, you can't do this left to right for parentheses or bracket or exponent. They are together, they are the same. But unlike multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, they are not the same. Addition is different from subtraction, multiplication is different from division, they are not the same. So that's why you have to do it from left to right. The only thing that is the same that you have to do multiplication and division rule first before addition and subtraction rule. And also, thanks for watching. Learn math videos only on Dominic class.